What's up, guys? Back again. Today we're on foot heading up to a reservoir. Something you probably won't see from me too often is videos walking and on foot. I hate walking. Probably one of my least favorite things. It's up there. I'd say probably walking, then number two, the Taliban. But I walked up to this reservoir a couple weeks ago and it's drained way down, so there's a lot of access around the shoreline and stuff like that. Normally you can't fish all the way around it. It's real thick with brush on the edges, so I think we'll be able to get out there and get to some good points on the lake that you normally can't. It's about 90 degrees out, 200% humidity, so it's pretty comfortable. I got a good sweat going already. I figured I'd do a walk today. I try and burn off some of this weekend. I had a few buddies from college in. You know, we may or may not have had a few cocktails. But I figured I'd try and sweat out some of that. We went to this brewery last night, probably about 25 minutes from my house. You know, I figured we'd do the right thing, be responsible, get an Uber. This guy that picked us up, I don't know if he thought he was trying out for Formula One or what the deal was, but that was some ride. You think you're doing the responsible thing, getting an Uber, and sometimes it seems more dangerous than just getting behind the wheel yourself. But it was a good time though. Got home and around 1:30 we figured it was a good idea to go get some Taco Bell. So that was good. Go get about 110,000 calories in your gut and crawl in bed. That's usually good for your heart, but I guess I'll spare you guys with the fat guy breathing, and we'll pick back up once we get up there and get some line in the water. All right, guys, well, we made it. I was able to fight off cardiac arrest on the way up. It's a little bright out still. I was trying to come up later in the afternoon, see if we could get some topwater going. I see some stuff on the other side breaking, but hopefully it's worth it. I mean, there's a lot of bugs out too, a lot of gnats on the way up. The amount of bugs I had trying to crawl across my eyeballs had me just about ready to freak out, but we got a little wind up here in the open, so hopefully that keeps them knocked down a little bit. You can see this water line is normally all the way up into these bushes and trees, so we could actually get around the perimeter here and fish a little bit. I don't know if anybody just saw that, if the camera picked that up, but there was a giant bass that came in and hit this fish as I had him at shore. Let's see if we can do that again, but with the bigger fish next time. He came in when I had that little fish at shore, and it was like he was trying to attack the little fish. What the f***? Oh my God. I have no idea what just happened there, how this ricocheted back and came at me, but I'm assuming, I don't know if the camera can see this, I'm assuming that is from the hook. Let's see. I'll tell you what, that hurt. Yeah, that's the hook. That's pretty legit. It's branded by the hook at Mach 10. Pretty sick. Glad that didn't hit me in the eye or something. That definitely would have sucked. I think I got a turtle on here. This has got to be a snapping turtle or something. Either that or a world record bass. Oh yeah. We got a giant snapping turtle. Holy. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this thing. I guess I got to try and get some pliers. Look at this friggin' thing. I don't even think I want to put my fingers near that thing. Oh God. I do not want to get my fingers near his mouth though, I'll tell you that much. Who knew that turtles like Senkos though? I literally have no idea what to do here. I want to help you. Oh, he got it out. He got it out for me. Well, that was interesting, to say the least. And now we hooked into what we want. We don't want giant snapping turtles, but we don't want small bass either. This one's pretty small again. But better than nothing. There we go. There's an, oh, he spit it. There's one. Now we're talking. There's our first decent customer of the day, other than old Snappy. This is a good one, boys. Don't shake, don't shake. Oh, don't, no. Oh, there we go. All right, boys. Now we got a decent one. That's what we want. That's what we came for. I want more like that. I usually catch ones like this here, but that's it. I'm a little happier now with the trip. This guy's got a little bit of a gut on him. He's definitely eating. But this made the trip a little more worth it. We'll get him back in there, see if we can get one more before that. I should probably get out of here. That storm's coming, getting dark. That's my MO. Go out when there's the most fierce thunderstorms, but we'll see if we can get one more real quick. All right, we'll run over here, take one more cast, and then we're gonna get out of here. That's coming directly towards us. I didn't think it was, but the wind changed. Now the wind is blowing right at me. And that is pretty dark back there. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. I think I waited a little too long to get out of here. This thing's coming in pretty fast now. I don't know if you can see how dark that is, but we got some thunder and lightning coming, and we didn't do exactly what we wanted to do today. We got that one nice one at the end, a couple small ones. Big snapping turtle. I should have just lied to you guys and on the intro say, oh yeah, we're going for giant snapping turtles. But I'm glad we got that one at the end. That made it feel a little more worth it for me to get up here and work some Taco Bell off. It's just been it's been too hot lately. Hopefully we start cooling down soon and get a little better. We got about 1.5 miles walk back, so hopefully I can get ahead of this storm a little bit. But that's it, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Well guys, just made it to the truck and it started pouring. Glad I made it back in time. Or it'd be a soggy ride home.